In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give and manage access in Google Drive. Whether you're a business owner wanting to share documents with your team or an educator distributing resources to your students, Google Drive is an immensely useful tool. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by entering drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see all the files and folders that you have stored in your Google Drive. Now find the file or folder you want to share. You can either scroll through your drive, or if you know the name, use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've located what you wish to share, right-click on the file or folder. A menu will appear with several options. Click on Share, and this will open the Sharing Settings window. In the Sharing Settings, you'll see a section at the top where you can add people or groups by entering their email addresses. This is where you decide who will have access to your file or folder. Importantly, if you want to make the file available to anyone who has the link, click on the Get Link section below. Initially, this might be set to Restricted, meaning only people you've shared with can open with the link. To change this, click on Change or Share Link Settings and select anyone with the link if that suits your needs. While adding people, you have the opportunity to assign specific permissions. These permissions can either be Viewer, which allows them to only view the file, Commenter, enabling them to add comments, or Editor, which provides full editing rights. Make sure to choose the correct permission depending on the need. A tip here is to use Editor with caution, as it grants the recipient the ability to modify or delete your content. Once you've set the permissions and reviewed them, click Send to share the file. If you selected anyone with the link, then just copy the link and distribute it through your preferred medium: email, messaging apps, or integrated team communication platforms. Managing access comes into play when you need to change permissions or stop sharing entirely. Return to the sharing settings by right-clicking the file or folder and selecting Share. Here, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. If you need to change someone's permission level or remove them altogether, simply use the drop-down next to their name to select the appropriate option. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily control who sees, comments, or edits your files in Google Drive. It's a flexible system that gives you the control you need to share information efficiently and confidently. Remember to regularly review your shared items to ensure privacy and security. Keep exploring Google Drive's features to further enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts.